To make life a little easier on every time function runs, which is going to be we're going to modify. First we define the object to tween, the property to tween in quotes, easing method, the property's initial value, the property's final value, the duration in milliseconds or seconds, and then whether or not to use seconds. So if this value is true, the use seconds, it will use seconds in the value before it. If it's false, it will use milliseconds. Notice that property to tween is singular. And yes, the answer is you can only tween one property at a time. You have to create multiple tweens if you want to create multiple properties that animate. Go right after your open parenthesis. First we're going to type our object to tween. We're going to use this guy's face. MC_psi is the instance name. MC_psi, comma, property to tween in quotes, so open quotes, underscore x scale, close quote, comma, easing method. There are several different easing methods I'm going to talk about in just a minute. Let's type ease out for now, capital O, comma, initial value, let's set it at 10, comma, final value will be 110, comma, duration in milliseconds or seconds. I want to use seconds, so I'm going to put 3, comma, and use seconds has to be true if I want that to be seconds. So I'm going to type true, close parenthesis, semicolon. Test the movie, see your result. You can animate other properties. You can animate the Y scale. Underscore rotation. And so on and so forth. And change it back to X scale. For easing, there are several different options. There's ease in, like that. Ease out, which we already did. Ease in out, type it like that. Animation is slow at the beginning and at the end. It's faster in the middle. It's kind of hard to tell with the frame rate of this, so you just got to try it out yourself and see how it looks. So you can see there that the properties are easy to modify fairly quickly. Just make sure you weigh whether or not it's worth it to use ActionScript to do a tween. If you have to tween a million properties and you don't want to type this code out over and over again and modify each one. But this is a very effective way to tween animations if you're just modifying a few properties.